Mile High Cleaner works in a whole new way by changing resin on a molecular level so it is no longer sticky. Simply clean it up like any other mess using brushes, techniques, scrubbers, and tools. A pan requires soaking in hot water, and this is the same way. It loosens the gunk. Just dump that gunk out after it's warmed, squirt on some cleaner, and get at it with a brush. The resin melts and is ready to be washed away with regular dish detergent, like we do with every other thing we have. Just 30 drops cleans most pieces using the right techniques and tools. This is the future of cleaning.